Why they're catching and you're not. 2 small fall fishing mistakes that kill your bite. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Sam Lee here. We're heading into early winter, the air's cold. The water's chilly and yet some anglers are reeling them in nonstop, while others are sitting there wondering, why won't my float even move? Well, it's not bad luck, it's probably because you're missing 2 tiny but crucial details. Let's talk about what they are and how to fix them so you can start catching again. Small detail 1. Your setup's too heavy for the cold. As the temperature drops, fish get way less active. They don't chase or strike like they did in summer. They move slower, open their mouths smaller, and suck in bait much more gently. If you're still using your same old heavy setup from warmer days, that might be the reason you're not getting bites. Here's the fix. Go lighter on your rig. In cool water, the key is to reduce resistance, make it easy for the fish to take the bait. Try something like a 1.0 main line with 0.6 liter. Or if you've got good control and technique, even 0.8 plus 0.4 works beautifully. But one important warning: when you use lighter lines, don't pair them with a super stiff rod. If your rod's too hard, it won't absorb the tension. When the fish runs and snap, there goes your line. So, lighter rig, softer rod, smoother hookups. That simple change alone can turn a quiet day into a great one. Small detail 2. Your bait spread is too tight. Here's another thing most people miss: how you place your bait. When the water gets cold, fish are cautious. If your bait pile is too concentrated, they might hang back instead of diving in. The trick? Let your bait spread out a little. If you toss it in gently from the surface, it'll scatter naturally over a small area, maybe a couple of feet wide underwater. That wider spread makes fish less wary and more willing to nibble. And don't overfeed. In cold weather, the more bait you throw in, the slower it spreads and the longer it takes to draw fish in. A smaller, lighter amount actually helps attract fish faster. Once you've baited up your spot, don't rush to cast right away. Give it 30 to 60 minutes to rest, let the scent spread and the fish settle in. Then start fishing and you'll notice the difference immediately. Final thoughts. Late fall and early winter can be an amazing time to fish, but small details make a huge difference. Go lighter on your tackle, spread your bait smarter, and be patient. Those who pay attention to the little things are the ones reeling in fish while everyone else just watches. So what do you think? Have you noticed other small tweaks that made a big difference when the weather turned cold? Drop your thoughts and your best cold weather fishing tips down in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, stay warm and tight lines, my friends.